kami. Tapos, wow. Ang mga kalaban natin, papatayin natin ang mga kalaban natin ng Code M. Iisa-isahin ko yung sniper rin. Wow, it's breathtaking talaga. Ayan guys, bababa na ako. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Yung tipong gusto mong magstay pero ayaw mong magstay kasi sobrang lamig. Okay guys, I'm so hungry na. Now, we're gonna order some pasta on the way there. Ngayon ako guys. Walang akong kasama guys, so wala. I rented with myself. Charot. Ang ganda. Hi guys. Ito po ang experience ko. I'm still so blasking. Hindi kami blasking dito. Ewan ko na lang. Sorry. Wala pa. So look at the view guys. It's really beautiful. God created this beautiful view. So ganda. So, pupababa muna ako at kakain ako ng pasta. Gutom na ako. Time check, it's already mag-11 na dito ng umaga. So, mabalikan ko kayo guys and I will report what I'm going to eat. Stay put lang kayo. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell below para lagi kang updated sa aking channel. See ya!
A few inches later.
It's fascinating. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo guys. Bawal pala sasakyan pero meron silang electric car. Pero sobrang minimal lang. So, hanap muna ako ng pagkain. Snowball yun?
Minutes later.
Hi guys, kain lang ako dito sa restaurant. restaurant. Namoy ko kasi yung masarap na pagkain. So, I can't resist it. Pero ngayon, I'm drinking hot choco. They really have a good choco. So, this is the place of the restaurant. It's so cool. So, ayan. I know I'm not in my best shape right now, but I'm still cute. So guys, stay put lang kayo dyan. Iba-vlog ko yung kakainin ko. Marami akong food. Sana all.
Milk. Seven milk. Alles?
I'm going na to buy some magnet. Magnet, guys. Magnet. Ay, it's done na. Hi guys! Look at my view right now. So ayan, lalakad na tayo. Balik na ako sa hotel ko.
Moments later.
Hi guys. So this is the hotel. I will gonna show you. Oh. Here's the CR. It's cool. It's cool. This is the perfect view. Wow. Wow, it's freezing here. We're in the back. Zermatt. The Matterhorn. Look at that view. Wow. It's cooler than you think, guys. Grabe. Tingnan niyo yung suot ko. Everywhere is frozen here. Ayan. So, ito. I'm gonna go inside again. Just sit up here. Okay. Guys. I'm gonna wrap myself. There, a lot of layers. I'm so tired. Ayan. Okay naman yung pants. Oh. Wearing like So, I want here. Okay guys, update ko kayo later. So I'm so tired.